How to add a badge to LinkedIn. So if you want to add a badge to LinkedIn, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your browser and you need to search for LinkedIn. Go with linkedin.com and make sure to sign into your account. After signing in, you need to go with the top right, which has that me section, and go with view profile. Now under your profile, you will have add profile section, right? So you just need to simply click on it, and here you may have an option of add badge, or here you will have an option of add verification badge. So simply click on it, and now you can simply enter your information. You need to verify your workplace as LinkedIn, and you need to verify your identity with persona. So you can simply verify any one of these. If you go with the first one, you need to verify with your workplace as a LinkedIn. And if you go with the second one, you need to verify your identity with persona. So for example, I'll choose the first one. Now here you need to enter your LinkedIn email. So enter your LinkedIn email and then go with next and proceed with the following steps, and you'll be able to get a badge on your LinkedIn. Or you can also go with the second process, and here you need to use your mobile device to verify. So open the camera app on your phone and then scan the QR code to the left, which is right here, and follow the steps on your phone, and this page will update when your verification is successful. So that's how you can add a badge to your LinkedIn, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.